Hello everybody, welcome to a different video than usual for us. Normally we're putting out videos that are talks by David or other people that's at our field days, but if you've noticed, we haven't had any videos for 2019 because our camera decided to screw up, or 2020 because the coronavirus decided that nobody got to hold a conference that year, and neither did we. So I figured that we might as well give you guys some updates in a different form than normal so that the stuff that we're doing doesn't just go out the window because nobody gets to hear about it. So this is the first full day of harvest for us. This is Wednesday, October 7th. So in soybeans right now, and I'm just going to use this time to talk about the things that hopefully I can get you guys some information on our experimental stuff this year that normally you'd hear about through our field days. So hopefully in a few videos I will go over our experiments in non-GMO versus GMO soybeans, our experiments with double crop sunflowers. And if you guys have any questions that you want answered, that you can just put them in comments of videos, and if we think there's enough there to make a video on it, we can do a whole video dedicated to that topic. So that's what's been going on here, since there obviously haven't been any YouTube videos in the past year and a half. So that's a quick update from Brandt Farm and what's going on here. So I might have drone footage in the rest of this video, I might not, but as you can see, I'm in the combine. So, and I don't have any auto steer. So obviously a drone is not something that I can do right now, unlike other YouTube channels. So there might be drone footage, there might not be, but that's what's going on at Brandt Farm right now in the beginning of October, beginning of harvest in Central Ohio 2020. So hopefully there's more to come if I remember, and I will talk to you guys later.